guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's very well today. I watched Being Briny, a video she did on the sale of Revolution makeup. I scooted across to have a look, see what they had to offer, and I ordered a few bits and bobs. So this video was not my idea, it's actually Being Briny. She inspired me to make the video. Please go have a look at her video. She's a lovely YouTuber, and I will pop her link in the description. Just pop along, say hi, tell her I sent you if you like. That would mean the absolute world to me, so I would appreciate it. Anyway, on to the haul. I say haul, there's only a few bits, but there is a giveaway. I'll tell you the details about that soon. So I got this little palette. This is called Dragon's Heart. Loving the packaging. I'm probably blinding you. It's like a deep sort of rose gold kind of colour. The colours are on the back. Pretty colours. And inside it's got one of these magnetised doings that you flip open. And there are the colours. How gorgeous are they? So let me just swatch some. So I think these are, yeah, well they are. They're a mixture of mattes. Oh, that's nice. Gorgeous colours. Yeah, like them. I love this one. This is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I feel so candid. Why can't I do that properly? Okay, so I look forward to giving that a go. So let me just see how much this one was. I'll let you know. And I like this. You get a look like your bits and bobs. What you got? It's good. It's nice. So this retail priced at £6.99. I got it for £3.50, which gives 50% off. Bargain. And as you know, guys, anybody who knows me and watches me regularly will know that I am a lipstick junkie. So I bought some lipsticks. So can't buy lipsticks without swatching. So that's the first one. This one is called Nude Lipstick, and it's in the colour shade Cake. Retail is £4. I bought it for £2, so obviously that's 50% off. Nice, like that. Pretty. Next one I brought was a lip gloss, which is this one. This was again £4, got it at half price for £2, 50% off. Gorgeous. Oh, it looks like a bit orange, but it actually isn't. It's coming off camera quite corally and orangey, but it's actually quite pink. Like that. Next one we have is a very red. Beautiful. It's like a pillar box red almost. Gorgeous. I love that. Beautiful. This was retail £5. I got it for £1.50, so that's a colossal 70% off. Fantastic. And the last one is this. Very similar to the other one. This is a bit more sort of like pink toned, which you can definitely see the difference. So that was the first one. And this is the one, this one. Okay, and that was the same price. Retail £5. I bought it for £1.50, 70% off. Okay, guys, that's what I brought myself. Now for you guys, for the giveaway, I'm just going to wipe all this off. Whew. There we are. Okay. So for the giveaway, I'm going to show, but obviously not swatch anything because this doesn't belong to me. This belongs to one of you lucky fortunate guys. So I brought this. This is a Revolution Sun Kiss in the shade Champagne, and obviously this is a highlighter. And this was £5, got it for half price, £2.50. And then we have the Ultra Bronze Revolution. This again, oh, this was £3 and I picked this up for £2.10, so that was 30% discount. Then I got a lipstick for you guys. This was Revolution, £5, got it for £1.50. Beautiful nude colour there. And last but not least, we have, this is called Freedom Pro Artist Pad Studio Pink. Oh, this stands by itself. This cost me £4.50. It was £15 and I got it for 70% off. So I will take it out, but obviously again I will not swatch anything because it's not meant to swatch. This is so pretty, look. It just looks like literally an iPad, or, and you got this strap to take off, and then, oh, and there you go. And that is so gorgeous. So obviously you've got a mixture of eyeshadow, shimmer and matte, and then at the bottom you've got your highlighter, blush, contour and all, bronzer. So to enter to win this giveaway, all I want you to do is in the comment is write the word win, W-I-N. Obviously I'd like you to be subscribed to my channel. This is only open to UK only, unfortunately. I'm so sorry guys. 18 years or over, and the competition will end on the last day of July at midnight. So it's 31 days in July, I believe so. The description for the giveaway will be obviously in my description. So that's it. Just literally be subscribed, write the word win as a comment, or anything else you want to write, but it must say win because that is part of the giveaway. 18 or over, UK only, and good luck to everybody. And it'll end in the last day of July, 12 o'clock midnight, be the 30th or 31st. Okay guys, so that is all I have for you today for this little tiny haul that I brought. Love, 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 love. Haven't used any of it yet, so I can't wait to try it, to see what the pigment's like, whether it's easily to blend, how long it lasts for. But, you know, a lot of people kind of use it and recommend it, so it can't be all bad. Okay, so next video is going to be, I'm very late to the table with this one. I'm going to do my Glossy Box and Birch Box. I'm going to unbox them together because I'm so late. For some reason, I don't know why, but I literally just got Birch Box today and I got Glossy Box on Friday. And again, there will be a giveaway for June's Birchbox that I normally run for you guys. So be sure to check that out to qualify and take part and all that good stuff. Don't forget, nip across to Being Briny. I'll leave her link somewhere. Say that I sent you if you like. Just say hi. She does really great unboxing videos and she's a lovely, lovely girl. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, leave a comment, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care for now, my loves, please.